everyone. Hello everyone, this is the trade recap for Money Squared YouTube channel. On this video we're gonna discuss all these trades that we took. Also we're gonna discuss some of the test trades that we took. Here for example we're gonna discuss only for maybe we will discuss also the not activated ones. But as we get, these are on December. We had 6 wins, 1 break even, 2 losses. Win percentage was 75% if we take out this break even trade. 2 wins, 2 losses, 6 wins is 75% win rate, which is good. The first setup is our candle setup type, was on wicks retracement. It was time frame 30 minutes, stop loss previous 30 minute, time of the entry was after New York open. So this was the trade pre-trade link. So as it was on the wick retracement, I entered some sells because it gave us a better stop loss. And then price after moved to 7 pips. I believe I closed at trade went to 25 pips, but I closed at 77 pips and then retraced to break even. I'm happy for making a little money in this trade as I was busy with other things. Okay, psychology of the trade was very strong. I had to do other stuff and make everything difficult. Anyways, we didn't lose any trade. The second one was our candle again on gold. Candle flips 30 minutes, the same time frame, but this our candle price at resistance, our candle formation. As soon as we close like this, I enter a buy with stop loss above here, and then price just moves straight up. The second trade was when price hit take profit, and then this was, I believe, it was right over here. Then the price rejected and then moved quite a lot. So our candle was formed on 30 minutes, straight move up, never came to entry point again, so no drawdown till 22 pips in 15 minutes or 3-5 minutes candle, clean traffic to the left hand side, and should have not been impulsive as closed at 4 pips, not being in drawdown, but due to no wick at the bottom made me close. However, setup played perfectly, so I was in 4 pips only in this trade. Psychology was a bit shaken because I closed impulsively and not led trade according to a trading plan, but after moved 18 pips I was scared to be in drawdown, so I entered and also entered 4 pip late for waiting. Okay, this trade now it's gold, price at resistance, trend was bear. Break the low, 30 minute current candle, stop loss New York open. Let's see what happened here. This was price at resistance, rejecting resistance, close bearish, next candle just should continue down here. What happened here after we moved up in, I believe I moved stop loss at break even here, and then what happened? And then price just shoots straight up. Okay. Traffic is a bit messy, but anticipating the New York open to push down, risking only $15. Too much range, already rejected resistance. If we continue down, should be good to move up. We move 7-8 pip, move stop loss at break even, then price retraced, hit break even. I felt a bit insecure due to the range taken, but anyway, if we move, I will be happy. After 6 days of being sick. This was the trade after being sick. Okay, good, we didn't take a loss. Price at support, trend is bear, sell, so basically we broke support, I guess here. Price made the low here. No, this is not, this is just like price made the low here, and then I was expecting resistance here to continue to retest this major low. And then what price did was just after breaking this low, we came here, hit stop region where we moved stop loss at break even, and we closed, I believe, 77 at 20 pip. And then yeah, this was a very good trade. After here, retest again this, and then we retested overall this low where we initially planned after rejecting again this retest in its previous support. Didn't wait for New York open, but anticipating for New York push to move down, retest the low, closed full at 20 pips. Felt a bit disappointed for not waiting close below, but didn't want to miss it. Cyrus 0.1 low, close full at 20 pips, should have less 0.01 just for confidence build up. There is a clear range to downside for 40 more pip. Okay, but if we would have let this trade to move down, we would have been at break even. So overall it was not a bad decision, but usually I leave 10% of my position to run, to build my confidence on letting runners run, because that's where the juice is. Price at resistance, setup type gold, break the high, bear buy, we're taking a buy here, okay. Price at resistance, we broke the highs on 30 minute, stop loss should have been now over here. Let's see what happened here. Yeah, after come up 10 pips, hit break even, I guess. Price closed above resistance in 1 hour time frame in London open, then closed bearish, retesting the resistance in 30 minutes. As soon as it broke the high of the bearish candle, I took a trade with stop loss below 30 minutes, TP 1 to 1, close 50%. At 10 pips, move stop loss at break even, then stop loss hit at break even. Felt good because I was not to draw down at all. Regretting that didn't close 80% at 80 pips because it was a weak field, but I'm fine with it. Okay. Next is again gold. Price at support, bull, sell. Trend is bullish, but we're taking a sell on candle flip on 1 hour. Interesting. Let's see how this plays out. So trend is overall bullish, but we're at support. We're breaking support. Our candle formation, as soon as we break the low, just like here, as soon as we break this low, should have been a good sell. What happened here? We broke the low, entered, and then rejected this area. It happens. That's why you don't put all in one trade. All technicals align for our nice top wave flip, support broken in 30 minute and 1 hour time frame. Price went in 6 pip profit and reversed. This trade was counter trade and had multiple rejection, low time of value of the entry. Okay. I felt good because I knew the risk of taking counter trend trade and chance of winning this trade are not so high. Interesting. Price at support, so we took trend is bearish, and we took a sell, break the low on 30 minute pre-NY. Let's see what happened here. Yeah, GJ was very tricky again around this resistance. We broke multiple times, came back multiple times, just like here. So we broke the low, activate our position like here, and then stop loss should have been here, but then probably in 15 minutes I moved here. Let's see what happened, and then yeah, this was basically, this is now the U-turn example setup which we're gonna use on the future. Everything was aligning good, but didn't anticipate. Now you see the U-turn setup, but in second chance I think we will win this trade. Okay, did we take a second chance? Yes, we take a buy on the second chance. Very good, managed risk, very good. I'm happy with my decision. Now we have a gold, our candle bear trend with buy and candle flip. Let's see how this played out. Yeah, but that was GJ, and this is GJ again. Interesting. This is 22. This was here, the trade was here. Okay, now we're our candle, we broke this resistance. Now we should be good to go up. I believe, yes, we just flipped here, broke above here, moved stops to break even here, and then just basically TP1 at 40 pips. And now here, yeah, our candle bomb, easy. This was very easy inside the range, but our candle formation is very good, breaking 30-minute highs. 2-hour, 4-hour time frame bullish, so it makes sense with Tokyo volume to move up. It's risky because we're inside the range, but we can reject at any point. Hold for it, just because this was Tokyo session, and now we took today this trade, which is in January, but it's 1st of January, so we were at resistance, broke this resistance, came back in the range, it then engulfed with the next 15 minutes. I was anticipating as soon as we break the high, we just should continue to go up. And then trend gave us exactly that. We moved up close 70% because of resistance coming right over here. I was aware of it, and it was very late, 5 o'clock almost, so 3 hours into New York session, and I didn't anticipate for much more. I was looking because of this clear traffic, but I was 70%. I closed here, and then moved stops at break even, and then price, I believe, it just rejected this level. Yeah, I closed perfectly because it just rejected and then kept going to the bearish momentum. The trend is bear buy. Sorry about this. The bear buy trend, and yeah, this was the trades that we took during December. We can also discuss this when price is at resistance on 27. This, it was only because the last days of December I didn't take trades, but I wanted to journal them, so this is just around that. Just journaling, not taking these trades. So we go price, we have price at resistance on gold, trend is bull, we take a buy, break the high, 30 minutes, stop loss. I don't know why I didn't manage to do that, so I was expecting for this, but we just move up here and here, but I don't think I execute this trade, here, and then just here. This clean traffics where I had these, I was looking for buys here, but the price just moved straight up. In 5 minutes it moved like 100 pips here, for example, 1811, 1820 here, it's 90 pips, 100 pips. It just moved so quick. Maybe that's why I didn't took this, because I didn't, but overall I put here win because the setup was win. Now we have GJ also on the same day where price was at support. Bull sell, candle flip 30 minutes, but this trade was not activated. Let's see. Price at support. Here I was waiting for this candle to just be a wick and then sell to fill the whole this range. So to happen this setup, break below support just like here, and then this one not break the previous highs, just form a wick and then sell, but it never happened because price moved bullish. Price retest the low. This was also on the 5 minute. Interesting. Yeah, I was waiting for this one here, this one entry sell, this setup here. I was expecting price to come up to this level here and then moved, obviously now moved stops at break even because we're more than 10 pip in profit compared to 7 pip stop loss. And yeah, we then price just reversed because inside the range you never know if this level gonna hold, this level, so in 5 minute time frame is not so good. So this was a break even, obviously. Stop on technicals were to go, but 15 minute, 5 minutes time frame are not high confluence when price makes a new low, especially and the low is a support of a range. Fake outs usually happens. Okay, perfect. We have the last setup and gold, price at support, we take a sell, trend is bullish, break the low, 15 minutes, stop loss previous 30 minutes. Now we see, for example, here we take this sell, or this is just setup. Yeah, we say here we took a sell, let's see what's happened. Price makes a high. Here is if we break, we retest the high. If we break the support, we activate this trade and then we move down. Let's see what happened. Yeah, so activated in sells. We never activated buys, and we just moved down for 1190 to 1112, so 70 pip. Price formed support and broke support. Bullish momentum, but super clean candle to the left hand side for sells and big move of 300 pips. Needs bigger correction. Yes, that's true. So next day we have gold price at resistance. Trend is bear, but we take a buy, break the high, 30-minute time frame, not activated. Let's see what we did here. Yeah, if we break these highs, we were waiting for this setup. Clean traffic to the left hand side, already found support, formed resistance, break resistance, retest resistance. So I expected prices to keep going up, but I believe it didn't. Yeah, it actually broke the high here, broke the high. We should have been in a trade. According to no, I remember before breaking this highs and closing bullish, this price broke this low here. You can see this wick. We broke this low here, and then I removed the idea of being in a trade because this setup says we cannot break the low of the confirmation candle, and that's why. Broke resistance, close above, clearing traffic to the left hand side next 30-minute, didn't break the previous candle 30-minute lows. If we break the high, we should be good to go up before, and now this is an update. Before activated, it actually broke the low of previous 30-minute candle, which invalidated our trading setup. Exactly. And now we have GJ, price at support, trend is bullish, we take a sell. We were not activated here. Let's see what happened here. For example, we're looking either for buys here or for sells above below here. Then price just move up for buys. These sells were never activated, and then we take this. Then we take this price at resistance. Bull buy, break of the high, 1 hour time frame. This was a win, I believe. Yeah, because we were expecting here. As soon as we break these highs or break above here, we should be good to go up. What the price did is price just move up, close above here, and then move up here. Candle with no wick at the top, so we should close everything here. And then what happened then we rejected this level because we had no wick. We're forming out this resistance and this level here, and then clean traffic to the left hand side sells. But then we were waiting for this area here to come up again, and then we don't have more data. Price was rejecting the high made, then came and closed above 1 hour and also 30-minute time frame, anticipating bullish momentum to break the resistance, and it did so with 50. My mistake was the resistance level. Yeah, this should have been most recent one creating and confirmed on 30-minute. As soon as we break that, to enter buys. So yeah, that's about it for the trade recaps for December. Now we're gonna start with January, which is only one trade, and so far it's a win, the one that we discussed. We're gonna do at the end of the week if we take a lot of trades. If we don't take a lot of trades at the end of the week, we're gonna do in 2 weeks because we need like 3-4, at least 5 trades to discuss to make a meaningful video. But thank you for watching, like and subscribe, support the channel, and I see you guys tomorrow on the London and New York update. Thank you very much, bye bye.